To manage your Zoom whiteboards that you have created, open a web browser. We're going to use Google Chrome. Navigate to zoom.us. Sign in if you're not already signed in. Because I am, I'm going to go straight to my profile. Under the Personal tab, there should be a whiteboards item. Click on that. And this will take you to your whiteboards that you've created in the past in previous meetings. You can tell by the dates that these were created. If I wanted to share my whiteboard with someone, I can click on the three dots for that whiteboard and click on share. And I can put in the email address of the person I want to share the whiteboard with. The caveat to this is you can only share your Zoom whiteboards with someone who has an IVC licensed Zoom account. So I won't be able to share this with some random Gmail or even with a Saddleback email. They need to be an IVC managed account with a license for Zoom. However, there's another way you can go about sharing your whiteboard. So let's take this one, for example, and open this up. If I wanted to share this whiteboard with someone who wasn't in the meeting or doesn't have an IVC account, I can export it by going to More, going to Export, and I can either export it as a PDF or a PNG or CSV or PPTX. We'll do a PDF for now. I'm going to go ahead and export that. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And now I can see I have visibility to that whiteboard as a PDF file. So if I wanted to share that with someone, I can simply send that PDF to that designated person. Finally, if you go back and go to the whiteboard, you can see the activity on the whiteboard by clicking on the three dots, then hitting View Activity. This shows you what the activity on that whiteboard was, such as opening the board, who made changes to it. It doesn't exactly tell you the exact change. For example, here it says added scribble, but who knows which scribble that would be. But it does kind of give you a timestamp of when this happened. And that's how you can manage your whiteboards.